So if you want to be a little bit more conscious about the detergents and stuff like that that you're using, this is the perfect thing for you. It's going to purify and infuse the water that's going into your washing machine. So if you're, like I said, if you're being more conscious about what you're washing your clothes with, that's kind of the purpose of this thing. It's going to give the water ability to clean your clothes without detergent at all. But even if you're going to use some kind of detergent that's a little less industrialized, then this thing's just going to facilitate that. So super easy install. We got our bracket right here. It has these little 3 guys that are going to go into this. You can see I already have my my outlet hose plugged up. I'm going to take the inlet hose off of my washer. I'm just going to install this into there. Okay, so now got my hose hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and plug the power piece up since it's on that side. Got our power hooked up. We are just going to hang it just like that. Now, that's all you got to do for the install. You can see it says off right there. There's not a power button or anything like that. It's going to automatically detect whenever the water's flowing through it, and it's going to turn on automatically. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys this now. We're going to go put a load of laundry in here, start washing it, and show you what it looks like operating. And then we're going to tell you what we think about the clothes after they dry. So there you go. You can see as the water started flowing, the infuser came on. And there's nothing else that you really need to do. It's just going to work on its own. It's got an hours balance thing there. I think it's going to go down. It wants you to clean it every 1,000 hours, or I have to look at the instructions, but hours balance. So automatic, everything like that. We're going to let you guys know what we think on the back side.
Alright, so I just got the clothes out of the dryer, and I like my towels to be smelling really good, and they smell really good. They don't have that like dusty, wet smell even though you put it in the dryer. And even after I hung my husband's shirts up, they still smell really good. So good. But this is Christy, and I'll see you next time.